you pulling fans. We're happy to have you here. Very simple what's going to be happening here tonight. Sled down at this end. It's weighted, tough to pull as it gets down the track. We're counting our distance down here at the far end. In terms of feet, the farthest distance wins. No qualifications, no test runs, anything like that. It's one chance to hook onto that sled and pull it as far as you possibly can. You're going to see some different weight classes, different horsepower here tonight, based on gas motors, diesel motors, tractors, trucks, all sorts of good stuff. And we'll explain a little bit about each class here as they come out here onto the track. And we're really getting excited with a really good class here. A noise-heavy class. So again, forewarning here, especially for the young ones, be ready. These trucks will be noisy. This is our 6200 Superstock pickup class out of the gate, 470 cubic inch maximum. No limit on the RPM, so you'll hear these engines turn really hard and really loud. And they're going to be locked in suspensions here. They're going to see them drive right into the ground. You'll notice they have a lot of weight in the front end of these trucks. They want to have all four tires spinning onto the dirt this evening so they can hook up as best they can. Weighing at that 6,200 pound limit with the driver included in the seat. We have 6 great entries here this evening, multiple-time points champions, and some really this season's points leader, and along with some other guys that all had wins under their tabs this season. So it's a really fun class here tonight, and we're going to be looking for Tim Finley here on the gate out of Kingston, the 1974 F250 Fool's Gold. We'll be getting us started. Big thank you once again to all the volunteers as well to help make these events possible. I'd like to remind you once again, upcoming here at the end of September, the Midland Antique Association will be putting on a 3-day pulling weekend over at the Midland Antique Engine Association grounds starting Friday. You have the transfer sled Truck Tractor Pulling starting Friday at 6 o'clock. Saturday morning, we'll have the Bandit sled will be doing some good pulling there. Saturday morning at 9. The next Spin Buster sled will be in Saturday evening, and then Sunday we'll do some deadweight antique tractor pulling as well. So a 3-day pulling extravaganza, September 27th, 28th, and 29th. There are trackside spots, VIP spots available as well, along with on-site food concessions and all sorts of great things. So make sure to check that out. End of September, the Midland Antique Engine Association. There we go, there's one of the motors fired up there. I think that's the Fool's Gold of Tim Finley. Tim Fuller of the TCP before first time I had a chance to see him run here this year. He'll be what we call our test puller. Now, I didn't say at the beginning that it's a one-and-done scenario, but we do have one exception. It is our test puller. The first puller in each class is nominated as the test puller. So we can make sure our sleds are operating, and we got to make sure that we're all set for the class. We got to test them out, just to see anybody else pull. 277.09. So 207 burn on inch. Now, as the test pull, we're going to ask him here right now whether or not he decides to keep that run. Has to make that decision right then and there. He'll get that question. We'll get the thumbs up or thumbs down. And we'll see what he's deciding to do.
I think you ought to have another go at it.
He's going to keep that run. So that'll be the mark speed. One more run, but hold on to Tim Finley here this evening. 277.09. Top speed of 14.3 miles an hour. Up next will be the first of two off the Wisniewski trailer this evening. You got to see him back to back here. Cody Wisniewski will be the first one to get a 1978 Chevrolet Rambler Last Dollar. Kurt and Cody do a fantastic job campaigning the two orange trucks you see setting up over there. Multiple wins over many seasons, and they are really, really good competitors in this class. Really excited. They love to turn these motors really, really hard underneath the hood. And again, we have the unlimited RPM, so they will turn them up into 8,000 and north, and it's going to be quite loud down through here on this track. We'll take it going. Cody Wisniewski, the first to go here, though. Rambler Last Dollar, 1978 Chevrolet. Straight run right there, lays down a perfect pass and takes over the number one spot. 3:09 and 30. Six total ones here in the class. Seven this year back by John Simmons. Mike Hartwell and Gary Van Borga rounds out our class here.
I was just thinking about having some popcorn. You want water?
We got another one too.
Oh wow. Thank you. Yeah. Praise the Lord.
speed of 19.5 miles an hour. That's a heck of a pass right there. And another new leader in the class with 3 to go. We having fun yet or what, ladies and gentlemen? How we doing out there? And this isn't even going to be the loudest of the night yet. We still got even louder coming a little bit later.
Hey, we got 3 or 4 engines on one. 3 or 4 of
Well,
those.
actually, the current point leader in the class, multiple wins on the season, John Simmons in the Simmons family in the 1985 Chevrolet Thunderstruck, the name on this one out of Snowbird. The Simmons family had a real nice season with this truck.
Snowbird. Was that? No, that
Picked
was.
up wins in Mainville, Ionia, Butlerville, among others on the season that currently sit them out front. Pullers throughout the season get points based on their finishes at each of these events. 15 for first, 14, 13, 12 on down, based on where you finish at the end of the year. We have World Reward Points Championships after we get about 15, 20, 25 points based on the class throughout many different county fairs across the state of Michigan. This weekend, the crew will be heading up north to Alpena for their next push after tonight. We're winding up on season here. Only about 2 or 3 weeks to go. So some guys have lost their season with breakages, some guys in and out. We have still got a great group of guys that'll hard try to try and get to that top of the points chain here this season. So the Thunderstorm right now add to this lead. On that here, facing down 316 and 31. Exactly what he was looking for here this evening. 324 and 20 at 20.6 miles an hour. He's getting a little bit faster as well here in the class. So 324 and 20, the new leader. On a little bit different spot there on the track. He's a little bit closer to us. He's got his shoes to go anywhere in between the 2 white lines. As long as no part of the pulling vehicle touches the white line, they're okay. The sled itself, it can touch the white line. We're just concerned with the pulling vehicle. So right there, you can use even close to the right-hand side if you don't, or you can go even more towards that left-hand side, towards the infield. Whatever they feel that best spot is on the track, they can set that sled up at the beginning. Nice run down through there. Not quick to catch the number one spot, but that is a good run. How about 3:16 and 47, 3:16.47. This is a game of inches in truck and tractor pulling, ladies and gentlemen. The second place truck so far was 3:16 and 31, so he's just ahead of that to move into the number two spot, 3:16 and 47. About 2 inches of difference between the two, and sometimes it is that close. I've seen high. You have to hold off. It gets crazy. Even with the hundredths of a foot, we still find a way to tie sometimes. But just 16 hundredths of a foot difference, he moves into the number two spot ahead of Foolish Plunge at 3:16 and 47. 20.1 miles an hour at top speed. One to go, the Blue Thunder Ford, Jerry Van Warmer, the last to hook here in the super stock pickup class. Liquid Senior this evening. Make sure to check out TCPA on our website and on Facebook, the Truck Tractor Pull Association. Still a few more folks to check out on the season. Facebook is where you'll find all of our announcements and anything to go with our future events upcoming, and any kind of announcements from the group as well. And then you can go to our website to see a full schedule, season results, point standings. That's at TCPA.us, Truck Tractor Pull Association. Give a round of applause right there. Nice pass. 3:03 and 64. 3:03.64 feet. Top speed at 18.8 miles an hour. We'll do a quick rundown of the class. We'll get 6th place to Tim Bentley in full goal. 5th place.